dominoes. They were red. I put the red color in first, which is kind of pink, and then also black. So these ended up turning out real well. I went ahead and sanded down my edges, and I put white dots on them. I just did that with white paint. Then after I put the white paint on, I wiped it off, so that way it wasn't all over my domino. Let it dry, and that's the final product. They weren't too bad to make. I would make another set, except for the fact that we really only need one set. And these, again, were for my husband. And then I'll be doing a set of mahjong tiles for myself, and I will attempt to make a video of those too. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you'd like to see me make more things out of resin, please like and subscribe below. Thank you.